Welcome to Mary's Creative Decor. If you're a subscriber, I want to say thank you all for watching. And if this is your first time stopping by, make sure you hit the subscribe button and become part of the Creative Decor family. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we'll be working on tutorial number 4 of our Christmas series. And here's a look at all the things that I'll be using for this project. I know it seems like a lot, but I have my wreath. I have this embroidery hoop, which is going to be the main piece that I use. I have some Mod Podge. I have gold paint. Of course, I have my garland. I have water lights. Over here, I have picks and mostly in silver. And I've cut most of them down already. And I have these marbles. The marbles I'll use to weigh down the little tray. I also have my floral foam, which I'll be sticking in on the bottom of my tray. So let's get started. I'm going to clean up my table and we'll get started on the project. So I have my gold paint and I have this little paintbrush and I'm going to use it to paint my embroidery hoop. I'm going to set it aside and let it dry. I have my foil styrofoam and I want to glue that to the bottom of this bowl. I've already cut a second one in half to stick on the side. Then I'll use my hot glue gun to glue the marbles to the bottom of the little bowl. Again, the marbles would be like a weight to hold the tray down. I've glued my marbles to the bottom of my tray to give it weight. Now I want to take my embroidery hoop and I want to affix it to the styrofoam. I push down into the styrofoam, making an indentation. Then I take my hot glue gun and glue it into place. I add more hot glue on both sides. Once it dries, you can take a pin and go across it to make it even more secure. Now I'm going to take these popsicle sticks and I want to glue them on top of my embroidery hoop. I want to make a flat surface so that I can add my candle. And you could also use hot glue to help you hold it in place. I took my popsicle sticks, I painted them in the silver, and then I added this silver glitter mixture on top. And yes, I had initially painted it gold, but I really wanted everything in the silver. So now I'm just adding this glitter mixture around the hoop as well as to the popsicle sticks. And I'm just going to sprinkle on a little bit more of the silver glitter and let it dry. The paint and the glitter mixture is dry. Now, as you can see, I only added glitter to one side because I'm going to wrap garland on the other side, the side without the glitter. I use a little hot glue to hold the garland in place as I begin to wrap. Now it's time to decorate my wreath. I take my floral picks and I begin to push them into the garland. I use my hot glue gun if necessary to help hold it in place. I add more of the marbles on the side of the tray to help it become a little bit heavier or balance on the other side. I'm going to continue adding marbles to the bottom of the bowl, as well as more floral picks and balls to my wreath until I'm satisfied. So I'll see you in a bit with the reveal. If you look closely, you see at the bottom I ran out of marbles, so I went in my stash and I had some green gems and I added them to the bottom. Again, this is just for weight on the opposite side. I liked it so much, I created another one just like the other one, but in a different color. Let me know in the comments below which one you like best. If you're out there watching and you've enjoyed this video and its content, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And don't forget the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. Also, don't forget to go back and check out the other 3 tutorials of this series. If you're looking closely at the vase, you can see where I embellished it with some foil tape and bling wrap. I do hope you guys have enjoyed this video and the series. I want to thank you all for watching. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you all in my next video. Happy holidays.